Are you ready to make a real difference in people's lives? Our Community Service Worker program equips you with the skills and knowledge to support individuals and families in your community. Our Community Service Worker program is designed for compassionate individuals ready to empower others and create positive change. Every day, community service workers dedicate their lives to uplifting others, providing support, and creating lasting change. From helping families find resources to advocating for those in need, they are the heart of our neighborhoods. This program is designed to provide employment-ready and comprehensively trained graduates. Successful graduates will achieve the Certified Medical Assisting Professional SMAP designation in addition to their diploma. These graduates are fully qualified to work in a hands-on administrative and clinical support capacity in the medical industry. Career opportunities. Graduates of this program are qualified to work in a wide variety of CSW settings and occupations. Job titles vary per location, but graduates are an integral part of many settings, including Join our Community Service Worker program at the Academy of Learning Career College. Enroll today and start your journey.